clouds and I watch them go. Gave you my fears and we took them slow. Gave me your warmth when I was so cold.
Look who's back in the 305. Ay, look who's back in the 305.
Girl.
We are up and shooting today. We're shooting some content. You're excited?
I'm not going back.
We are shooting some content today. We're about to go downstairs and shoot some more. It's a pretty good Monday.
Gave me your love, honey, I was sold. But I'm afraid.
Look who's here!
Back at it again.
Back at it, back at it. And this time we have a special appearance. Maddie is here. I haven't seen Maddie in 2 years. Look at John holding my bag. What a gentleman. Wow. so excited because I am halfway done packing all of my things. I just have some last few things to pack. I'm gonna show you guys. And then my cousin is coming later on, and one of my close friends is coming later on to help me like put in their cars and move it across town to my best friend Nikki's house. That's where I'll be staying. So super duper excited. I am throwing away my plants because they're dead right now. Like, I've neglected this plant so much. It's basically like dead, and I know I can revive it. It's just I'm gonna start fresh with a brand new plant. So that's what's happening with that. I'm gonna show you guys my progress so far. Okay, so over here I have all of my clothes and garbage bags because it's a lot easier to have them already on the hanger than to put them in boxes and then put them up on hangers again. So this is a trick that I used to do when I was moving back and forth from home to my college dorm. So it's just to keep them in a hanger and then put a garbage bag over it. That way it's easier to transport, but they don't have to be removed from the hangers. And so I have about what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bags here, and then I have one extra one in the closet here. So all that's left for me to gather, so this is everything that's already packed away and needs to go. All I have left to gather is this little bin right here. I need to put away all of my perfume, this pampas tree thingy, and then the actual shelf I'm taking with me. This bin is full of clothes that needs to be gift donated, and then this is my dirty clothes hamper, some sparkling water, a bag that needs to be put away, and then my yoga mat, and then my nightstand. My nightstand needs to be unloaded, and that's gonna be packed. And then I'm also taking my nightstand with me, as well as my breakfast tray on the side. And then I just need to pack all of my bags. I have some like bins up here, as well as some bags. And then I have a ton of bags, but they're kind of like inside each other. So, and then I have like an extra bin over here with some stuff that I need to take with me. And then there's some stuff on in that corner. But that's about it. I am throwing away this thing. So I remove all of the stuff that were in these bins that were taking up space here. I'm throwing them all away. And then I just need to remove all of the things that are on my desk inside of the little cubbies in my desk and put those away. And then that's it. I'm pretty much done. And then lastly, I have to pack my bathroom, which is not extremely full, but I haven't touched anything in there, so that's gonna be a task. So fun times, but I'll probably do my bathroom tomorrow. I'm not sure, but we'll see.
Oh, hello, Papa.
Can we take a long way home? There's some things I want to know. A couple questions if I could. Hope I'm not misunderstood on the long way home. Yeah. On the long way home. Long way. On the long way home. Look at this. We both took a risk. Who would've thought back then that we both end up like this? Oh yeah, I ain't had a plan. She said, boy, we better get to it. Gonna be a long ride. We gon' need more than love to get through it. We gon' 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 get through it. You can trust me, I'm a man, I'm a word. If I say it, I'ma do it. When I'm down, point me straight to it. You made me love brand new, babe. Every day you renew it. Can we take a long way home? There's some things I want to know. A couple.
Hi guys, it has been one hell of a week. I am still in the process of moving. I'll give you guys a full update on how that's going a little bit later. But I had to shoot this campaign that I haven't been in a work mode lately. And this campaign is literally due tomorrow. Tomorrow is my absolute last day to turn it in. So I have to shoot it today. So I'm just out here with my little cousin about to shoot this campaign and then go back home. I brought some extra outfits with me to shoot like some campaigns that are due later on the month, just to get them out of the way. But I don't think it'll happen because I'm in such a funky, all over the place mood, and plus I forgot my lipstick at home, so I have like no lipstick on and I feel weird. So yeah, I'm just gonna shoot this because it's due like literally tomorrow and go back home.
Wait, please slow down. Hey, do you miss me now? On certain days, it's hard to say that you've been sad and I'm the one to blame. Thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Just rain. And what's the point of flying if you only make it half of the way? Halfway. On certain days, it's hard to say. I thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Stay.
So shooting that only took about 10 minutes, not even. But because I don't have my lipstick with me, I'm a little irritated, so I'm not even gonna bother trying to like shoot my other looks. Can't be bothered. Can't be bothered. And my hair is like, it looks good right here, but my lace is lacing, so ooh. Yeah, we're just not gonna do the rest of them today, but I look. So this area is Showfields own, basically.
Everything is Showfields?
Okay.
The whole building is Showfields.
Okay. It's just like the vendors individually.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have like what you could call like different departments. Like this would be like
Okay.
we're just in our showcase department.
Mhm.
And this is our mission market.
Okay.
So this is more like food. A lot of our food is like Pfizer specific.
Okay.
Mission driven.
That's cool. I love skincare, so I'm like in awe.
Supplies that they need to create their like jewelry, and then they split the products.
That's so amazing. I love these. I'm like, every piece is so cute. I'm like,